Thank you, Daniel-san. Put this here. Down a bit. Let's go, let's go. We are live, we are live, we are live. We are moving. Let me just post something on my Instagram. And we are moving. What's up, Fiki? What's up, Brandon? Trippy? Matete? Unprofitable, fashionably late again. Exactly, man. That's what I'm saying. I'm now a fashion icon, literally. Let me post this to my story real quick. Damn. Yes, my people, we are live right now on YouTube. Click the link over here to join up. You can see we're about to smash the charts the FX Killers way. Make sure you click over here, join up. We are live for 100% free. There we go, there we go, there we go. What's up, Gary? What's up, Sly Guy? Lights Out, Maradona Designs, Lloyd. What's up to all of you beautiful people in the chat? We are, of course, back for another NY session. And we are looking to, of course, kill the charts. Because you know who we are. FX Killers.
What's up, Chad?
Alexander Napolkov.
You know what it is.
You already know, man.
Safwaan.
That's what I'm saying. Need to join. We are about to get started now. Let's busy posting the link on my Instagram and everywhere so that you guys can join up. So we get the most amount of viewers in here. What's up, Arthur? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Let's see. Go to my channel over here. Simpiwe Kamini in the building. Simpiwe. What up? Let's go. Damn, that's an ad. Crazy work. Picky, like and subscribe, of course, bro. You already know, man. You already know, man. Like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. And we hit 5,000 subscribers. Crazy work from you guys. Thank you guys for, of course, giving us 5,000 whole subscribers. We really appreciate you guys from the bottom of our hearts here at Comit Capital, at Space Markets, at Margin Call. We appreciate you guys a ton for supporting the streams, showing that you actually like the streams, and just in general for being here every single day. I mean, it shows that you guys actually want to learn the skill and that you guys want to better yourself in terms of trading. And that's a skill that no one can ever take away from you guys. Full leverage today, possibly, bro. Bro, where do we sign up for the 1 AM strategy? It's in the mentorship course. You send me a DM and I will help you, bro. 4 losses on gold yesterday, almost blew unlucky, bro. That happens, yes. Full transparency, we took 4 losses in a row yesterday. Lost quite a bit of money, but it's all good though. It's all good. Mr. 7 Foot gonna make it rain as per usual, of course, bro. Mark says, hi, I want to check something on yesterday's trade. You made 11K, but that scalp for 10 minutes. So I did that there on my personal account, bro. On my personal account, I did a scalp trade, not on my funded account. W in the chat, of course. Way Shack today. We need the SS team going full margin. Same time. We are going to be doing it soon, bro. Not hating, just checking what the rules are. So I didn't take it on my prop firm account, bro. That's why. I never took it on my prop firm account. We are looking forward to 10K subs. Exactly, bro. You already know, man. You already know. 10K subs. We are going to get there, bro. Of course. You already know, man. You already know. We are pushing it. W in the chat, Gary. You already know, bro. Gotta recover for today. We are going to recover, bro. I see some good setups forming over here. Just letting everybody join up in the chat before we actually get into it. And then boom. So you only provide signals for personal funded accounts because I saw yesterday someone blew his challenge following your trade. Nah, bro. No one blew their account because of my trade, bro. No one blew their funded account because of my trade at all. That was not me, bro. That was not me. I mean, gold sell. What do you think? I think we are actually approaching a level of support at the bottom here. So we are going to see now in a few minutes time what we can analyze here on gold. But yeah, What's up, Sifiso? How you doing, bro? Vision Pillay, getting ready for some gold buys? Of course, bro. When you have a Comit Capital account, you need to monitor yourself with the news. Of course, bro. Yasin Sheikh, welcome to the stream. Sherwin, can you turn up the mic a bit? I will try and talk a bit louder, bro, because the mic is at full volume already. Volume is low. Sherwin, man. Now I see the volume is a little bit low. I'm going to try and get this sorted out now with Shaquille Samai. Let me just message him. Okay, you can't see me. The volume is low, Shaquille. Hey, like I got a fresh cut. Shaquille Samai got a fresh cut. I like it, man. We broke 5K, of course, bro. There's no stopping us. We are moving. We are moving. He did not blow his account, was restricted because he was trading. Yeah, he didn't blow the account. He actually made profits with my trade. He just got restricted because he took a trade during the news time. That's why, bro. Did you also get chow today? I did not take a trade today, bro. I never took a trade today as yet. Let's hit this like button, of course, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, of course. What's up, Doug? Hope you're doing well. Hi, Scale. What's up? What's up, bro? We're about to get into this right now in about 2 or 3 minutes into the analysis. Just letting all of the viewers and all my beautiful people join up in the chat. 260 viewers. Don't forget to leave a like. And we can get up to 100 likes very, very quickly, guys. I was lucky. I was busy, so never took those trades. Only benefited on the live stream with a small win. Perfect, bro. Perfect. Let's get to the money. Let's get some motion, of course, bro. The guy from yesterday was trading his prop firm account within 5 minutes of the news. Unfortunately, that's why. Exactly, bro. Gold is melted today. Low key, bro. Low key it is. I won't lie. Shaquille O'Neal. Yes, sir. I am Mohammed Fareed's little brother. Amazing, bro. Amazing. Let's see what it's saying. Are you not focusing on gold today? Not any other. I can go to a currency pair. I can, bro. I can. Is the misses here? No answer. Only 54 likes, but 247 in the chat. Come on, exactly. Tell them, Sifiso, bro. Tell them. Show some love. But let's get into this analysis right now on gold, because I am personally seeing something very beautiful. Let me see that real quick. Yes, my traders, make sure you click the link above. Okay. Yes, my people, make sure you click the link above for the YouTube live stream 100% free. I'm about to get into the analysis on gold for the day. Take some banger trade with some banger profit with you guys. Make sure you click the link above and join up. It's 100% free, guys. Let's get to 500 viewers in the stream. I know you guys can do it. Let's go crazy. There we go. But straight into it, guys. Straight into it. Level of support. Clear as day over here. As you can see, level of support was formed over here. So this is a level of support. I'm going to type it out over here. Let me just take away this. Okay, not that. Let me just take away this here. The style. I don't want the middle line. I want the text to write support, right? I'm going to write here support. Okay. That's our level of support right there. One second. Let's get to 500 viewers. I know, guys, we are pushing for the 500 viewer mark because I know that my community is strong. We can do it so easily, literally, so easily. Let's see what you guys are saying in the chat over here. Let's push for 200 likes, of course, bro. When are you funded with Comit Capital, if you don't trade for 3 days, does your account get deactivated? No, bro, it doesn't. Only after 30 days. Please check NZD USD after gold. I will, bro. I will. Receive the money from the giveaway yesterday. Thanks. We got you, bro. We got you. How many of you will be trading the prop firm account right now? I'm not too sure. Not too sure. But like I was saying, guys, level of support that we have is over there. A level of resistance we can see is a beautiful level right over here. Because you can see we had multiple touches on this specific level, making us here a strong level of resistance, right? I'll even type it in over here. This is our level of resistance, right? Level of support down here, level of resistance all the way up top here, because you can see multiple touches on this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touches on this level. A very strong level that we have over here, right? So that's obviously very, very nice. Then if you look above, we can also see some more levels being formed. And for me, I would of course put one here at the all-time high because, well, not the all-time high, but like at this high, because this is what we are working with, right? There's also a level of resistance up top here. And then of course, we also have a level. Let's see, where can we put another level? I would say over here, level of resistance there as well. So these here are my levels that I'm going to be trading off of in this specific, what's it called, in this session, because I see that these are strong levels, right? Resistance, top there, perfect. Funded with 500, let's work, let's go, bro. Let's go. Guys, only risk what you are willing and able to lose, guys. Always remember that. Always risk what you are willing to lose. Don't risk any more than that, guys, please. What's up, Poobs? Trading room. Hope you're gonna make more than R2 today, my bro. Hope you're gonna make more than R2, bro. We got you. Okay, so once we have our levels of support and resistance into our chart over here, we're going to drop down and scale down to our lower time frames to actually get into our trades. So let's see here. Huzaifa Ismail says, what time is NYSE? It is at 4:30, bro. So we have about 9 minutes left until NYSE opens. Akil Hussein says, bro, when are you marking the levels? When you mark the levels, do you mark out the wick or the body? I use from the wick to the body. So let's see, from the wick to the body. This is my area of resistance. Faizan Desai says, bias? Possibly, bro, possibly. I'm seeing that because you can see we have multiple rejection, right? We have rejection there, rejection there, rejection there. So when we come back here, what should we expect? A rejection. Or could break below, retest, and then continue to the downside. Buyers are so weak this day, exactly, but the buyers are but weak. You can see there's lots more bearish momentum in this small little like down bend over here. But overall, of course, we are still bullish, right? Overall, we are still bullish. I used to talk to you on Instagram. Let's go, bro. Let's go, Faizan. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. Let's go. 290 viewers in the chat. We just hit 100 likes. Let's push for 150 likes, bro. Let's push for 150 likes. Let's do it, my beautiful people. I know we can push for it. And then, of course, since now we have these levels, I want to now drop down even lower to my 5-minute time frame. So I'm taking you guys exactly through how I actually analyze the charts, how I go through it step by step. I start off on the 30-minute time frame, and then drawing my level of support, my level of resistance, and then scale down to the 15-minute time frame. I look for possible entries. If I see no entries there, I scale even lower down to the 5-minute time frame, and then look for my entries over there, right? So we are on the 5-minute time frame right now, and we are looking to get our entries, of course. What's up, my bro? I can't say your name. I won't lie to you. I cannot say your name. South Lumbario. It's a hard name, bro. But welcome. You are better than FX War Room. I appreciate you saying that, bro. Looks like a good buy. It does like a decent buy, bro. I won't lie to you. It does. We have to just, of course, get a nice bullish candle or a bullish reaction off of this level of support. Then we can say, okay, we now have confirmation to actually enter the buy or enter the sell. So yeah, let's go. Let's go. Trade. Perfecto. Let's go. So there we can see that now we are having a nice reaction to this level of support, which means that the market is actually respecting this level of support, which is of course a good thing. We are going to, however, wait for this 15-minute candle to close, because the 15-minute and the 30-minute candle are closing in the next 6 minutes. So let's be patient and let's wait and see. FaZe Media says, bro, I have a feeling gold is going to break the support, but let's see. Let's see, bro. It could be possible. That's why we have to wait for our confirmations. People in the chat, if you didn't buy Safwaan's course, please buy it. I'm 100% sure it'll change your life. Bro, I'll be honest with you, people are messaging me every single day and they're saying how much the course has changed their life, bro. Like, it's actually very heartwarming to see that people are taking the course and it's so cheap as well. And they're using it to better their life and to get a skill that no one can ever take away from them, bro. Because now you really are able to make money whenever you want to. Literally, whenever you want to, you can just make money, bro. Members, please remember that a 10-second delay. There is a 10-second delay, bro. There is a 10-second delay on it, and you can see there's a nice 5-minute candle closure over here. But I'm just gonna practice a bit more patience, and I'm gonna wait for the next 5-minute candle to close. Right? I'm gonna wait for the next 5-minute candle to close as well. Then we can see, okay, the 50-minute candle close bullish, the 1-hour candle close bullish, so we can take it from there. Let's go. Perfecto, man. Let's do this. Let me just go into my account over here on my funded accounts. On my funded account, let's just see real quick. What is the story over here? Okay, let me just log into my funded account real quick. 1 second. I heard a voice. What voice did you hear, bro? What voice did you hear? Okay, perfect. Just mute that group, please. Yeah, I can mute this one. So there we go. So I'm in my funded account right now. Where's the buy? Not as yet. Razin Aku in the chat, of course. Smash the charts. You already know how we do it, bro. You already know how we do it, my brody. Mr. Razin Aku. As we wait, please check NZD USD. Let me go over there, bro, for you. To NZD USD. Where is that? NZD. I saw it somewhere here. There we go. NZD USD. Let's go over to it and let's see what can we actually see over here on a 30-minute time frame. Can we get an entry over here? Let me remove that drawings over there and look for entry. So I think on the currency pairs, I'm going to actually use the 1-hour time frame just to have a bit of a better outlook on what's actually happening. So of course you can see over here, right? We have this level of resistance / support that we can use, right? This is a level we can use. You can see we bounce off that level quite nicely as well, right? Then on NZD USD, we can also see that we have this level over here, where it's a level of resistance because the market respected it there. We broke below, retested, sold again. So that's also a level we have. You can see we actually broke above this level right now. If we scale down to the lower time frames, it's looking like NZD USD could be a possible buy. Online, we have a nice bullish engulfing candle over there. We are looking quite bullish on NZD USD from what I'm seeing personally. I would personally wait for the market to first break above this high over here. If the market can break above that high, it's showing that okay, there's enough momentum in the markets to go above this weak high, which means it can continue to go further up. So I'll wait for that over there, and then I would target, of course, this resistance over here. Let's see what the chat is saying over here. Where's the buy? We have not entered the buys yet, but we are still waiting for the setup to form. Have you entered? I'm still waiting, bro. I'm still waiting. We have no entry yet. It's definitely going to buy. See the support. It accumulated, then manipulated on the lower time frame. Possibly, Jason. Possibly. Can you tell me to take a buy or sell on Euro USD? I cannot tell you what to do. I can't do that, but I can go and see what I'm seeing on Euro USD. I can do that. Let's see on the hourly time frame. What can we see? We can first of all see that it's a strong level of support down here. It's a strong level of support down there, right? We have a strong level of support down there. We also have a level of resistance, I would put over here, right? So we're in between a level of support and resistance. Abdullah Umar, love following you from Kenya. Crazy, bro. We are worldwide. Crazy work, man. Please do an analysis on silver. I will try and do an analysis on silver in a few minutes time. But Euro USD, you can see that we're in between a level of support and resistance. I would wait for it to break above the level of resistance for a buy or break below the level of support for a sell. So I would wait for it to either break above here, retest, and then continue up, or wait for it to break below, retest, continue down like that. That's my two options on Euro USD. But let's go back to gold and see if we are actually respecting this level of support nicely, or what's the actual story over here. Of course, we do have a few minutes left, few seconds actually. Okay, there we go. We have our, what's it called, NYSE open right now. Let's see, can we get some trades, guys? Can we actually get some trades going over here? Let's see. Did actually respect the level of support quite nicely there. The only thing I don't like is that when you drop down to the lower time frames, right? Bro, I've been messaging you to be in the VIP. We'll reply to you soon, bro. We will reply to you soon. Faizan this time. Check gold. I am on gold, bro. Do we have an entry on XAU? Not as yet, bro. Nawaz, salams. How much is it to purchase the course? It's 2,500 once off, bro. 2.5K once off. Exactly, CPU. This is not financial advice. This is literally just what I personally am doing. What I am doing personally. But for Nawaz, you said you want to purchase the course, just go over here to my Instagram, send me a message, and after the stream, I will assist you to get into the course, bro. No stress. Bro or girl, I'm not sure if you are a girl or a boy, Nawaz. Brandon John will say Safwaan is the new Mr. Worldwide. You already know, bro. That's how we do it. We got the motion of the ocean, man. You already know. But yeah, with gold right now, we're still waiting for it to go up from here. We have not taken any entries. It's a nice candle closure, but for me personally, I've seen this happen multiple times where the market will give you this perfect A+ setup, and then it just won't respect it. It will go completely against you, target your stop loss, and then go up in your direction. So let's wait for the market first to grab all of this liquidity below these lows over here. Let me move the chart so you can see. We want the market to hopefully come down, take out these lows over here. If we can take out those lows, then we say, okay, it took out the liquidity, then have a rejection in the form of a bullish engulfing candle, and then have possible buys with it. So that's what I'm looking for personally on gold right now, waiting for it to break below here, take out this liquidity, and then have a rejection and look for buys. Perfect. But on another note, what do you guys rate the cut? Wait, let me actually make this thing. Okay, I can't make this thing bigger. Why? Hello? I can't make this thing bigger. Where is this thing? There we go. What do you guys rate the cut? Let me know. Scale of 1 to 10. Let me know. Don't look at me. What do you guys rate the new cut on a scale of 1 to 10? Do I look tough or not? Let me know. Look away. Do I look tough or not? Let me know in the chat now while we wait for gold. My barber low-key got me right. Wait. Yes. Tough or not? Tough or not? Let me know. Type 1 in the chat now if I look tough. Type 2 in the chat if I look coiffed. If I look bad. Yo, 10.5. 10 out of 10 all day Moazle here. Looked up 1,000 crazy. See, this is why I love you guys, man. Damn. That's crazy. Look close to the old cut. Yeah, it's basically the same cut. Just yep. You look like Cunha from Man United. That's actually crazy. With all the ones being spammed right now. Leia Khan says Mu'adh here, my real life friend. What? What's going on? Tough one. Yo, that's your tough name. Wait. Instead of stuff one, it's tough one. That's actually kind of crazy. Wait. Why are they saying 3? Hello? Islam Didat says 3. What does 3 mean? What does 3 mean? Amir says, my sister says you look fine. Let me link her up, bro. How's your heart? What's going on? Fresh cut for the trades, of course, bro. Of course. Check Nasdaq sales coming out. Check it now, bro. How much do you need to trade gold? I would say like between 1 to 3K, bro, at least. Can you please analyze US30? I can, bro. Let me go and analyze US30 while we wait for gold. So we first, of course, like I said, go to the 30-minute time frame. 3 means tops. Aslam, bro, I got you, man. What? Damn, Wesley is going crazy. Madness. But let me just... So yeah, like we said, we're going to go over to Nasdaq right now. We can see that we actually just broke below this level of support over here on Nasdaq. So the people saying sells, I personally do see that we might have sells because of the way it's moving right now. Right? Bro, will you send a signal on the VIP? Yes, I will, bro. I will. If I do have a setup, I will send the trade out on the VIP signal group. Of course. You look beef. What does that even mean, bro? What does it mean? What does it mean? Did you get your new car? Not as yet, bro. I'm gonna get the new car. I literally spoke to the guy from the dealership today. Wallahi, I spoke to him today, and we are making big moves. I won't lie to you. Can you trade gold with 60 Rand? I don't think so, bro. I do not think we can trade gold with 60 Rand, guys. 60 is a little bit too small. Let's just see over here. 1 second. Let's push for 400. Let's go. Let's go. I want to get 500 viewers in the stream today. I really want to, guys. And I know we can push. If everybody right now just share the stream to one of their friends, we will literally get up to 600 viewers right now. That's all I'm saying. How to join the VIP group? Just send me a DM on Instagram, bro. My Instagram is fx_killers_. And yeah, Audi RS5, close, bro. Very close. We need a recovery on the VIP. We do, bro. I agree with you. We need a recovery trade on the VIP signal group, and I'm looking for it. I'm looking for the recovery. I am. But Nasdaq is looking like a possible sell because of the breakout retest. You can see over here, breakout retest. If you have a bearish candle closure, we could have a possible sell on Nasdaq. That I'm seeing personally. But yeah, that's Nasdaq. And let's go over back to gold over here. See, gold did actually reject quite nicely. It took out these lows. It's quite nice. So now we're going to wait for a bullish candle closure and then have possible buys. You can go to Betway with 60 Rand exactly, bro. That's crazy, bro. Can you trade gold with 1,000 Rand? Yes, I would think you can, bro. SVJ loading? Possibly, bro. Possibly. You never know. We've been beating the charts like crazy, bro. RS3 Kazi? Nah, bro. Something even better than the RS3. Bring the RS3 back to the gully. Bro, when I get the RS3 Fiki, I'm coming to pick you up, bro. And we zoom in. If you are on a 50 USD account, how many positions can you open on gold? I would say open like between 1 to 3 trades max, bro. Because 50 USD is very small for gold, especially. I start off with 150. Crazy, bro. What's the 1 AM strategy on gold? It's in my mentorship course, bro. We smashed the charts at 1 AM. The new FX LXG, bro. What you saying, bro? Crazy work, man. Crazy work. But we're waiting for a bullish candle closure to form here on gold. Within the next 2 minutes, 30 seconds, we will be waiting for gold to go up there. Gentle reminder for silver analysis. Let's go with the silver. Thank you for the reminder, bro. I did actually forget about that. I won't lie to you. I did forget about it. I did actually forget about that, bro. Silver, hey, it's actually quite nice. Wait. Silver looking kind of hot. Because you can see, whenever I see this here now, level of support, I won't lie to you, it makes me hungry. Because this is like, the market's basically showing you exactly what you want to see. A perfect level of support there. This is a level of resistance over here. Right, I'll type in your resistance and type here resistance up top there. So hey, let's even extends further. Nice one. This is a good level of support here on silver. I won't even lie. This is a good level of support here on silver. Wow. If silver can close bullish like this here, then there will be a possible buy. If silver can even flip bullish, it'll be good. So silver and gold do actually move very similar to each other. So that's why we see on silver, we have a level of support here. And if you go back to gold, we have very similar a level of support as well. So looking quite nice. I won't lie to you. It's looking kind of nice. Where's my analysis gone to on gold? There we go. So gold is actually moving right now very nicely. We have 1 minute left for this possible entry over here. Gold is buying already, bro. We have to wait for our confirmations first, bro. Confirmations before anything. We have 50 seconds left before, and this stop loss is absolutely massive. What the fleeps? That's insane. The SL is absolutely insane, bro. Why? Gold is flying though. Gold is absolutely flying right now. This might not be the best trade to take because of the stop loss. The stop loss is extremely, extremely big. The SL will have to be below these lows. But that's the thing, like the stop loss is massive right now. It's like $50 stop loss. Literally. That's actually crazy. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna go in with buys if we can close this bullish. because it does look quite good rejections. 4-hour time frame, daily time frame. No, that's crazy. That's crazy. I want to enter buys, but I also don't want to because the stop loss is just way too big. This SL is massive, bro. We can't do that. We can't do that. Do this. Stop loss is literally $50. The SL is $50. That's insane, bro. That's not good at all. So I'm not going to enter buys, even though this is a good setup. The stop loss is just not according to what I would trade. This is insane. This is way, way, way too big of a stop loss. Yeah, there's no entry right now, guys. There's a level of resistance. Exactly. There's also a level of resistance here. Let's rather be patient and let's wait for a good entry. Yes, even though gold is still shooting up right now, rather we leave it. Rather we be patient, guys. Look at this. Gold already moved up by 1,000 pips in 1 minute. Yep, those are gone. Gold has moved up by 1,000 pips in 2 minutes. This is not a setup that you want to take. This is a very bad setup, actually. Let's go back to silver and see what silver actually is doing there. Silver did also respect it quite nicely. 75, 73. That's also a good, it's also a pretty good analysis here on silver. I won't lie to you. Because now gold. So let's see. Uama said that you make $50 on the trade. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Well done. No risk, no rari, full margin. Crazy, bro. You are mad. You are mad, bro. For me personally, it's not worth it. Like, whenever you see such a big candle being formed in the market, you know that's always going to be a retracement because that is just an insane amount of volume being pushed into the charts that there has to be a retracement. So instead of being caught into the drawdown of the retracement, rather just don't take a trade. Just wait for a better setup to form. Literally, gold is wild. Gold is absolutely insane, bro. You can always wait for it to retest the New York low. Exactly, bro. Let's see what I was saying here. Gold is gone. We missed it. Unfortunately, bro. Unfortunately, we did. I do see we missed gold. That's just part of the game, bro. We cannot take a trade where the stop loss is $50. That's more than most of you guys' accounts. And I'm not gonna put you guys into a situation where you now are gonna blow your account off of one loss. We don't want that. Like, we want a trade where we have maybe say a $10 or $15 stop loss. That's decent. That's at least decent. So yeah. To the 300 people watching that now, guys, we have no entry on gold. We do have a good setup. The market did respect the level of support perfectly, but once again, the stop was way too big. So what we'll do is we'll go over to a different chart, which is actually silver. Like, because silver is looking like it's respecting this level of support very beautifully. So we could have a possible entry like this. We target this level of resistance on silver. Like that. Let's see. But then again, I've never actually traded silver, so this will be a new thing for me. Aisha says, in your VIP, do you also trade gold currencies? Also, we only trade gold. In the VIP group, we only trade gold, nothing else at all. Be careful, there's high impact near 5 o'clock. I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you for telling us that. People can blow easier with silver. It's twice as strong as gold. It is, bro. That's why I'm just checking now on silver to see, like, what's the margin and how much do we actually require for silver? Because if we do end up taking a trade on silver, we obviously don't want it to be absolutely insane, right? So XAG let's see. What's the story with silver? If I enter 0.25, how much is my stop loss going to be? Crazy, bro. I'm gonna have to enter like a 0.05 even. What the fleebs? That's a madness, bro. Now silver is strong, bro. Silver is crazy strong. What? Let's go back over to gold and see what gold is doing. I mean, the markets are moving extremely fast right now. If you see over here on my MT5, we're actually at a level of resistance. Over there, we're at a level of resistance on gold. So it would not be wise to enter a trade right now on gold. Silver, maybe, but I would enter like 0.01s because what? This thing is insane, bro. This thing is a madness and a badness. Silver, silver, silver. Do we enter or not? Yeah, the small accounts will blow easy on silver. That's what I'm saying, bro. We don't want them to blow, bro. We don't want them to blow their accounts on silver. Silver 0.01 is 1,000 rand per dollar. Crazy, bro. 1,000 rand per dollar move. That's madness. I would try and stay away from silver in that case. Literally. So guys, there's no trade right now. Like I'm saying, there's no trade right now on gold, on silver, on nothing, because it's moving so massive right now. The stop losses are insane. The take profits are insane. We obviously don't want to, put ourselves in a situation where your account can blow so easily by a small move. So let's be patient and let's wait and see what is going to give us a good setup. It's better to be patient than to rush into a setup and then you end up hurting yourself. I leave silver for when we reach exactly, but let me just get off silver because let's leave silver for now, bro. Let's leave silver for now. But I'm also going to draw in here a minor level of resistance because we do also have a minor level of resistance over here. I'll even type it out for you guys so you guys can know to say this is a minor level of resistance, right? This is a minor level of resistance over here we can see on gold. And that's the reason why we aren't actually taking any buys right now on gold, because of this exact reason. If we see that we have a minor level of resistance, why would we go and force a trade? It makes no sense, right? You can see it's actually rejecting off there nicely. So this here will just be putting ourselves one foot in the grave, because when you get here, what do you expect? A rejection to the downside. If it were to break above and retest like that, then maybe yes. But for now, let's sit on our hands and let's be patient, guys. You guys can ask me any question you want in the chat regarding trading, regarding anything in life. We're here to chill, we're here to talk, we're here to educate you guys on this topic of trading. So yeah, let me know how you guys are feeling, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling on this beautiful Thursday afternoon. So this is what I'm waiting for on gold specifically. A breakout and a retest of this level of resistance. Go back here, take this off. There you go. Take that there. And I'll draw it in here so you guys can also have a picture of what to expect on gold. Something like this. Targeting these highs over here. This is what I'm looking for specifically on gold right now. That's the only way I'll get an entry on gold, is if we can break above, retest, and continue. Nasdaq killed the lovely FX cartel. Beautiful. Silver is a micro account. One time, bro. One trade on silver and we're chilling for the rest of the year. Man, bro, I didn't even know silver was that strong. I honestly had no idea that silver was that strong, bro. I've never ever taken a trade on silver in my life before. That's a madness, bro. A madness. I won't lie to you. Silverino. I trade micro account only with $10 each to make $100 a day. Well done, Calvin. Well done.
Well done, Calvin.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm 22 rand in loss on Euro USD, so I hold Mr. FX Killer. Like I said, bro, I don't trade Euro USD, so I'm not sure, bro. And I can't tell you whether to hold or to close. That's not me, bro. I told you exactly what I'm waiting for. Either break above or break below. There's no trade in between a zone. There's no trades in between a zone, my brody. Look at that. Exactly what I said was going to happen on gold is playing out right now. We have a level of resistance. Went down from there, bro. Let's see over here. What is an amount you recommend to start trading with? I would say at least like between 1 to 3K, bro. 1 to 3K is decent to start trading off with, bro. When will we meet your 4 wide, bro? Soon. Nasdaq, what are your thoughts? I went through Nasdaq, bro. I saw that we put up possible sells on Nasdaq. Let's go check. Okay, so Nasdaq didn't give us the bearish candle that we wanted. There's no sells there. I see it broke above right now. Broke above and retested. This looks like a decent buy setup if you can have a stronger bullish candle closure. Because yes, we had a strong bullish candle close there, but then over here, this isn't a strong candle. This is not a strong candle on the Nasdaq. So you want to see very big body candles. The big bodies in the candles show you that the market is strong. No sell on gold? Nah, bro. Not as yet. FX Cartel is back. This guy the best rage beta I've seen. He rage beta Marco. Crazy one, bro. Why are you doing that, bro? Why are you rage baiting us? Don't be doing that, man. Just be chilling out. Silver Surfer, bro. What's funny?
Why are you rage baiting us?
No, they said in the chat that someone rage baited Marco. And now he's back in the chat. Crazy. Silver don't play Marcelino converted recently. Yeah, I saw, bro. I saw. Thanks, guys. Years of experience and helped you guys give us such great advice. Of course, bro. The years of experience in the markets are why we are here, bro. It's why we are here. Took gold from 170 to 500 in 3 days with consistent trades. Beautiful stuff, bro. But that's a nice move happening now on Nasdaq. Like I said, we will look for buys on Nasdaq if there was a strong bullish candle closure. So that's a decent move over there. Go back to gold and see. Gold, it's not looking the best, man. It's like gold is basically stuck for the last, let's see, last 2 or 3 hours. It's just been stuck in this range over here. Actually, not even 2 hours. For longer than that, gold has been stuck. Yes, from here, it's been stuck. That's crazy. That's a madness, bro. Gold is stuck. It's not moving right now. Gold has been stuck, you can see, from the 5th of February at 5 o'clock in the morning. It's tapped into this level of support and it hasn't moved from there. It's just been ranging the whole time. Maybe now we can get a level of resistance break. Who knows? Let's see. News in 9 minutes? Exactly, bro. There's news in 9 minutes. But like I said, on silver, if you go back to silver, perfect entry would have been over there. Beautiful entries on silver. If you took this trade, well done on silver. If you took this trade, well done on silver, guys. It's a beautiful setup. Like I said, very strong bullish candle closure. Took your entries, you would be up around about 700 pips or so right now. If you took this trade, well done to you. If you took the silver trade that I called out earlier, well done to you guys. Well done to my people. Let's go, let's go. Beautiful. So yeah, we are practicing risk management right now. We are practicing patience. Like I said, we don't ever force a trade, guys. We're never ever gonna force a trade, especially with me on the stream. You'll never see me being jump pass for a trade. Crazy, bro. Zia Beatrice made 3K on silver. Well done, bro. My call outs are working beautifully, guys. Well done. Made 3K on silver. Well done, Zia Beat. Wait for a breakout over here. Let's drink some H2O. Some aqua. Are we going to enter after the news? We'll see, bro, how the news affects the markets. We'll see how the news, first of all, affects the markets. Then we'll look to take a trade if there's a setup. If not, let's go and trade. Just that simple, Brody. Just that simple, man. But I do see it's job opening. Let me actually open it up here for you guys on the in silver. Well done, bro. Well done to you. Let me go over here to investing.com, the economic calendar, and let's check it out. Let's see. What is investing.com saying, guys? What is investing.com saying? Because here, this thing want to know. Let's check. Let's first change, of course, our filters to the importance only 3-star news. Right, so you can see over here that we have the job openings at 5 o'clock, which is in 7 minutes time. If we click on it, then let's see exactly what we can expect. So the previous was for 7.146 million. They are expecting it to go up to 7.2 million, which means there's going to be an increase in the job openings, which is good for the US dollar economy. So they are predicting that gold is going to sell. So the analysts of the world are predicting that gold is going to sell. Very interesting. Very interesting. So they're saying with news, gold could possibly sell. Who knows? Who knows? For me personally, I would just stay out of taking trades on gold for now until the news passes, guys. Until the news passes. NFP live on stream tomorrow. We can possibly do that, bro. We can possibly have NFP live on stream. Let's see. Let's go over to tomorrow. So there's no NFP tomorrow, bro. There's no NFP tomorrow even. So there's no point in even streaming the NFP because it's not going to happen tomorrow. It's not happening tomorrow, guys. It's literally not happening tomorrow. No NFT, exactly, guys. Exactly. But for today, like I said, we have this job openings in literally 5 minutes time. So just be careful if you are trading on a prop firm account. Do not open trades now. Do not close trades now, because you will get a violation. You do take your trades. So just be careful, guys. Take caution to the news that we have in 5 minutes. But let's go back over here to gold and see what's actually going on. Yeah, you see, gold is rejecting off of there. Gold is rejecting off of there, are they? Minor government shutdown, but the CPI will be stronger next week. I do think so, bro. I did see that Trump actually did sign the thing to open up the government again, which is also good. But of course, when the government is shut down, bro, it's just boring. Like, there's no news events. There's the market that's moving crap. Like, bro, it's just not nice, man. What's up, Marco? How you doing, bro? Marco, the entrepreneur, in the chat. Hope you're doing well. Let's get some hearts in the chat for Marco, the entrepreneur, right now. Very good trader. You guys are, of course, know him from the streams. Can you check out US30, please? Let's go over to US30 right now. Where is US30? US30, US30. There we go. The big marker, of course, bro. Here is US30. Right, let's take away the drawings and let's see. It seems to me like everything is just selling. No,
I have your stuff in.
Yeah.
Me?
You got it, bro. You got it. Bro, I'm looking a bit sad, bro. No one. You said I'm only 4K off, bro. So, man.
Bro, you got 8 and bro, I'm so sorry, bro, for you.
No, but that guy put in 5K, bro. Shouldn't have counted. He put it in like before 12. Let's go, let's go. Any chance the Epstein drama is affecting the market? I don't personally think so, bro. I don't think the Epstein files are affecting the markets, really. I wouldn't say it is. That makes no sense that files of that kind of nature would affect the charts. But US30, you can see it's selling right now. So we have to wait for a breakout below this low, retest, and continue the sell. Just be careful. We have news coming up right now. Just be careful, man. We have news coming up right now. Be careful of that. We have news in literally 2 minutes. So be careful, guys. We need a scalping strategy, man, for the culture. Crazy, bro. Crazy, bro. Crazy work, man. Crazy work. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. We have 124 likes to get up to 150 likes right now. But for the person that asked for US30, this is possibly what you can see on US30, guys. Level of it. Looks like everything is just stuck. It's like in between a level of support and a level of resistance the entire time. I'm not sure why, but that's how it is. A bit weird, I won't lie. Like everything is just stuck. I don't like it, bro. I don't like it at all. I do not like it, man. I don't like it, bro. I don't like it. I don't like it. So yeah, let's be patient. Let's wait for a good setup to form, because literally everything is just stuck, man. It's stuck between level of support, level of this. It's not giving us any breakouts at all. We might buy gold. Let's see. I'm also looking for buys on gold, Marco. I'm also looking for buys on gold. I won't lie. Also looking for buys on gold. I want to sell gold, but H news is going to stop me out. Just be careful of the news. Rather than sit on your hands, don't take a trade now. Take a trade after the news passes, bro. Please. It's better. There's a guy in here called Joash Nadas. Is that not Joash Naidu? What? Just think of that, bro. You're watching the stream for it. That's a madness, bro. Gold will probably sell to buy. Possibly, bro. Like I was saying earlier, like I wanted it to come below these lows over here, take out these lows, and then have a rejection. So come below these lows over here, come down, take out the lows, and then have a rejection, and then push up from there, bro. Possibly. But we have 1 minute until news. 1 minute until the news pops. Let's see. How is it going to affect the markets? Let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Is gold gonna buy or is gold gonna sell? Nah, bro, I'm not. Nah, we just making a joke, bro. Just making a joke. Joash nada. Don't stress, bro. Marco cool Trump intending to give us a buy signal. Crazy, bro. I know Marco has Trump with speed dial. I know it. Marco's a patron. He just says, phone up Trump. Buy gold now. Boom. Flies. So it's spiking up right now. I think the news came out against the US dollar. Let's see how it's going to react. You see gold is spiking up right now, guys. Gold is spiking up right now. Let's see. Will it continue spiking or is it going to reject? Let's go and see how the news came out, guys. Hold on. My company's the one I forgot. Yeah. You're working on it? No. Huh? No. You are working tomorrow. Oh, good job. So you can see the news came out against the US dollar, so gold should go up. Gold should go up because of this news event here. If you click on it and read exactly what it says, you'll see that it will say, where is it? There, right? So a reading that is stronger than the forecast is generally positive or bullish for the US dollar, while a weaker than expected or forecast is generally bearish. So it came out bearish. That means that gold should go up because the US dollar should come down. So let's see if it actually respects that, guys. Let me put this over here so you guys can see it in live action over here. So you can see over there what it says, right? A reading is stronger than the forecast is generally supportive or bullish for the US dollar, while a weaker than forecast reading is generally negative or bearish for the US dollar. And it came out negative or lower than the forecast, which means that it's negative for the US dollar, which means that gold is now bullish. So let's wait and let's see if we can get a buy on gold. Let's be patient, guys. Let's wait and let's see.
So, can I just do more?
Yeah, it's fine. We're going to even a pay shop.
I don't know which one it's going to, but it says Safwaan.
This is Standard Bank or Net Bank.
I don't know, but it's going to one of them. I'm saying.
Okay, no. That's wait. I'll do it for you after.
No. The account number ends with 75.
75. No, I think that's my FNB account.
This one.
Oh yeah, that's the Net Bank account.
That's fine, eh?
Yeah, it's fine. Let's just
confirm it.
But you can even do stuff like geo payment. I have FNB. Yeah.
Okay, don't go to
It's better. It's better.
Bro, you like a real champion, bro. What's going on? Why say the bank account is everyone?
Bro, I have gang accounts, bro. Crazy bank accounts. I won't lie to you. Let me just log into you. I literally have like I think 5 bank accounts. And with each bank I have 2 accounts. I have a private account and I have a normal account. I don't even know why. That's how it is. Let's see over here. We also have a weak full situation. Bro, I'm seeing the exact same thing, bro. Always go opposite the news. Crazy. Gold and silver move the same way. Silver just moves way more volatile than gold 100%, bro. 90% was also reading the report to buy gold. Yep, it was indeed, bro. 1 second.
Let's say receipt.
Yeah. Counts. Damn.
Just type in.
Sal is coming for you. What you mean, bro? What you mean Sal is coming for me? Don't say that. What the fleebs?
Just type in geo and it's open.
Don't say Sal is coming for me, bro. Don't make me scared.
Say receipt.
That's actually crazy, bro. Don't ever say that again, please. Let's see how slow it's moving. No, it's true.
You need to pay your tax, bro.
Nah, I pay my taxes. I always pay my taxes. No matter what, I pay my taxes. I have my accountant does it for me. He pays my taxes for me even. He says your request is being processed. What the fleebs?
Oh, you're just not in active tax.
Let me see. Are we gonna get in? No, we're not gonna get in right now. Gold is not looking the best right now. It's not looking the best. It's not at all looking the best. Let's be patient, guys. Let's wait because it's not looking the best right now, guys. We don't want to get into a trade and then it goes against us because of the news or because of this or because of that. Just be patient, man. Let's see. On the lower time frame, I'm on the 5-minute time frame. It might bounce from the FVG. Yeah, it's fine. It's there, bro. It could possibly bounce from the FVG, bro. You are right. It will buy from the order block Let's see. I'll be honest, bro. I don't even know what order block is, to be honest with you. I have no idea what order block even is. I've never learned in my whole life like what order block is or what this is. I just know support, resistance, danzo, nothing else, literally. Because like for me, my strategy been like working for me from day one with the support, with the resistance.
You?
So,
Come on, speak to you.
but it's still in between this range, guys. If you can get to the support level here, then we could have a possible buy. It gets to your a possible entry, something like that. Bro, the big G, the big chief, the big step up.
From the Mon-Fri, bribe.
Crazy work, man. Crazy work, man. So let's wait for this to happen, guys. Gold might fly. It still might fly, bro. Still might fly. Even though it's coming down, I might just be coming down to target this level of support that we have down here. If we can target the level of support like that, then it could be a possible buy. Could be a possible buy, guys. I won't lie to you. Should have went for my sells. We could have gone for sells here, but because of the news, it was like throwing me off a little bit. That's why I was like, nah, let me not go with sell because of the news coming out. Let's wait for news to pass, this and that. But I want this to happen.
Hello?
To support, have a nice rejection in the form
Did
of
you receive an SMS? Just check
and
your
go to the
phone.
upside. Took my morning sales out at B. I entered sales again. Let's go, Keenan. Lovely work, bro. Lovely work. Can the sweep liquidity at the bottom, then fly?
It's better than nothing.
Possibly. I mean, it is respecting these lows, which I do like these wicks over here.
This is just a little bit like, look here, I'm here,
So I like
don't
that.
worry.
I do like that. Mr. Alexander leaving the options right now. He's sliding out. But is there more news results coming? I don't think there's any more news, bro. I don't think there's any more news events for today. I think that's all for the day. So we should be good on that end. I think gold will also take out the Asian lows. It could, bro. So we're basically looking for it to go below these lows over here. So if we do take out all of this lows, take out this low as well, and then go up. That low is protected. It will shoot from the order block. The order block lid. Let me actually try and see what order block is, Marco. Let me try and see what you're trying to say here. Nah, I can't, bro. I have no idea what order block is, literally. But I do see what you're saying about the low being protected. I do see that, bro. I do see the low being protected. That's something that I do see, of course. That's crazy, man. Noted, thanks, Mr. Grassini, Brody. Even though Marco's not even on the stream, he is still here in spirit. He's in the chat, of course. The beautiful chat, man. Let's go, let's go. Man, gold is just moving so slow today. I really wanted to get a trade, but there's nothing. There's no trade. Rather we be patient instead of trying to force a trade. It's the best thing to sit on your hands and be patient instead of just forcing. Okay, it's a voice crack. I need to have some water for that. Let's go. Damn. Come, I'll teach you. See that guy, Marco. I love Marco, man. Crazy guy, crazy guy. So you can see again, it is rejecting this overall area over here on gold. So if it doesn't get down to that level of support and it just rejects like how it is right now, then I might just, like just for the just enter a buy. Like risk a very small amount. The bank guy and Marco, he is, bro. Safwaan, I think Marco wants you to take the 5-minute scalping strat. Crazy, Irfan. Crazy, bro. Yeah, if you can conclude like this, then I might just take a buy. I won't lie to you. I won't lie to you. I might take a buy in the next 1 minute. In the next 1 minute. 1 minute. Let's see. The SL this time isn't that big at least. It's a decent size SL. And even like, it's just rejecting nicely, man. We just needed to fly up from here. At a strong level of support, we need to go up from here, man. Come now. How's your heart? Come now. Let's go gold. 37 seconds until this is a possible entry. Let's wait and let's see. Let's see. 28 seconds, 25 seconds. Let's see. Possible buys. More high impact using 5 minutes. What you mean? There's no high impact using 5 minutes time, bro. It's bounded from the FEG. It is indeed, bro. It is indeed. Come on, close more bullish. Close more bullish. We need to go up. If we can't go up, there's no entry. Damn, that's crazy, bro. No entry once again. No entry once again. Because of this rejection over here, it's throwing me off, guys. Look at this. You can't enter a trade when you have a candle like that. You can't enter a buy when you have a candle like that. That's just asking for disaster. It's asking for you to end your night off in tears. And we don't want that. We don't want that at all. Yep, no entry, guys. No entry over there. Price bought already from the order block. Yeah, maybe, bro. I don't see an order block. I played a different strategy, but I have no entry. I have no entry, guys. No entry right now. We have to just be patient. If this candle here closed bullish, then I could have had an entry, but there was no bullish candle closures, so just no entry, man. Just no entry. Simple as that. Simplino, simplano. But yeah, guys, with that being said, the markets aren't really moving very nicely today. You can see it's just stuck in this range over here. I think we're going to end off the stream right now. We are streaming for over an hour already. There's no point in staying on the stream longer, especially if the markets aren't really giving us what I want. And you can see this is my overall outlook on gold. Break above, retest, continue, or come down to the support, reject, and then go up. So yeah, I think we're going to end off the stream there because the markets aren't giving us what we want, guys. We'll come back again. I'll be on again tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. So make sure that you guys are here. I will be live again at 10 a.m. tomorrow, which is Friday in the morning. So yeah, with that being said, my people, let's get some W's in the chat. Let's get up to these 150 likes. We're on 140 likes. Only 10 more people have to like the stream, and we're at 150 likes, guys. Make sure you leave a like, of course. But yeah, with that being said, my beautiful people, I am signing out for the day. We are ending off the stream. I will see you guys tomorrow, 10 a.m. Friday morning. I am live again. Tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. I'm live. Make sure you're out there, guys. Let's go. I'll see you guys then. Peace out.